What's up, guys? Today we got a brand new Samsung washer machine. We got the end of the end cycle. We got 2 more minutes left. Get ready to do listen to the end sound, like and subscribe. We'll see you then. Let's watch. Still moving right now. We got 1 more minute left until no more else. The Samsung. Let's get ready and sound. Here we go. Let's do the end sound. And there you go. Brand new brand new Samsung washing machine. It's already in. Let's look at the clothes are very clean. And please like and subscribe. Click channel and for the likes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you then. Bye.